জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
Leave me! Let go of me! Nan!
Deepu! No, you won't go further. I'll go instead.
Nan! Nayan! 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 Nayan!
What happened?
Nayan!
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 What just happened? Everyone got busy with Nayan. I can't understand whether Tapobrata is alive or dead.
How long will it take to get the OT ready?
The OT is almost ready, sir.
Almost doesn't exist, nurse. Can't you see how profusely she's bleeding? Go and check how long it will take.
Okay, sir. I'll go and check.
Doctor, she's still unconscious. You please give her proper treatment, please.
Though, don't be so anxious. The OT will be ready soon.
Doctor, how can I not be anxious? She's in this condition and you're telling me not to get anxious.
I understand your feelings, Dripto, but try to understand. We are preparing the OT and we'll take her there.
No, you don't. You don't understand my situation. Nayan, open your eyes. Open your eyes. I'm asking you to open your eyes. Please open your eyes, Nayan. You can't do this to me, Nayan. Open your eyes. Nayan, why did you do this? Why did you do this to me? Nayan, I asked you to save my dad. I didn't ask you to sacrifice yourself. Please, Nayan, open your eyes. Talk to me, Nayan. Open your eyes. Look, don't leave me with this guilt and go. How will I live with this guilt? Tell me, how will I live with it? Nayan, I promise you that I won't demand anything from you, like a selfish man. Nothing at all, Nayan. Nothing at all. Nayan, please, you open your eyes. Please. Nayan, please open your eyes.
Look at this boy. He's still with Nayan. Hey, Deepu! Don't go there, Durba. But Mom...
Durba. Actually, you know what? We don't value the things we have. This is what happened when the person was right there. He didn't value her. But when they leave, people realize their value.
Stop it, Grandma. Don't say all that. Nothing will happen to my friend.
Keep quiet. just keep quiet. Actually, Nayan's departure is good. It's good especially for her. There are evil people here. Nobody will value her. Nobody did. Otherwise, today, after what Nayan did, Durba wouldn't have wanted Deepu and Nayan to get separated.
You got me wrong, Mom. Actually, I didn't want to take Deepu away. I just wanted to say that Nayan would be taken to the OT, so
All right. I get it. Let's go out now. Let Deepu privately talk to Nayan here.
Nayan, I never thought of doing this to save Dad, but you did it, Nayan. What kind of debt did you put me in, Nayan? And why? I won't be able to repay you even if I sacrifice my life. Besides, I don't have the courage to save others' lives by sacrificing mine. I can't do that. Nayan, don't leave me by making me indebted to you. Please open your eyes. Open your eyes and talk to me. Please. Nayan, what happened? Huh? Nayan, why are you behaving like this? What happened? Nurse, please check what's wrong with her. Nayan.
Sir, she's losing blood. The patient is sinking.
What? What boy? What boy? Please bring the stretcher fast.
No, nothing will happen to her. I won't let anything happen to her. Doctor, do something. Please do something. Nayan.
Bring it. Come on, faster.
He isn't breathing. Yes. He's dead. Tapo brother Basu is finally dead. Whatever he heard, whatever he knew, he won't be able to tell anyone about it. He won't be able to tell anyone. I was about to cheat Deepu and get the will made in my name. This conspiracy too will go along with him. Yes. Sleep, Tapobrata Basu. Sleep. Go on the pyre and sleep peacefully for eternity. You know what? You are very lucky. Very lucky. Your Deepu. I'll bring your beloved Deepu down on the streets and finish him bit by bit. You didn't have to witness that. You are lucky. Lucky. I'll bring your beloved Deepu down on the streets and finish him bit by bit. You didn't have to witness that.
Mrs. Basu? Mrs. Basu? What is happening? I'm so tense on knowing Nayan can see the future. What will I do? I don't...
You don't have to be tense anymore, Jasmine. I no longer need you. You may leave.
Excuse me? You are...
I'm throwing you out. Tapa Brata is no more, Jasmine.
What?
Yes, he is no more. So, to inherit the property, I won't have to break a sweat. After the husband's death, legally, the wife gets the property. Whatever needs to be done for that, I can do it on my own. See, I don't want to think about anything else. Actually, I'm so happy. I'm really happy. Believe me. I brought you into this house with great difficulty for a reason, and that job is done. Why should I keep you here for no reason? You may leave.
In order to bring a smile on your face, I will even face the lot of death. I will fight. I will fight with the Lord of Death. Please don't step forward, Mother. I beg of you. Please don't step forward. I won't let you go to Father. No, no. Mother, don't go there, Mother. Mother. Mother, don't go there. Mother.
Come back, Nayan. Please come back.
He won't come back. Tapa Brata will never return, Jasmine. He'll never come back. Do you get it? Do you get it? I got rid of the obstacle in my path. I will no longer need to plan or break a sweat. The few obstacles that are still present are really minute, you see? I can clear them out myself. I don't need you for that. I hope you have understood what I mean, darling. What is it? Why are you gaping at me like a stupid? Where is your shrewdness and cunningness? Tell me. You are really sure?
Mrs. Basu, you.
Looking at your behavior, it seems you won't leave easily. Let me ask your brother instead.
This is not done, Mrs. Basu. Give me my phone back.
Quiet.
Jasmine, I failed. I couldn't do it. Believe me, I tried really hard, but I couldn't do it.
The case of poison has reached Tarun Karmakar. Jasmine, what will happen now? We'll be finished.
What do?
Why are you quiet? Say something. My brain is not working. Do something, please.
Mrs. Basu, my phone.
Wow. So it was you and your brother who poisoned Deepu. That's great. Really great.
Mrs. Basu, you?
You didn't expect that such a secret would leak, did you? But it's good. It's good that I got to know everything. You thought you could give us the slip, right? Now you handed me your reign with your stupidity. But this is unfortunate, Jayant. What a fantastic plan you had. But everything is ruined now. I'm so sorry for you. I'm really sorry. I feel bad. I can understand. You see, I can feel it. So many of my plans too had failed earlier. I really do feel for the two of you. By the way, Jayant, weren't you just telling your sister? Just say my brain is not working. I don't know what to do. Let me tell you what to do now. Take Jasmine and leave our house as soon as possible, okay? Otherwise, I will tell the police everything. Clear? Jasmine.
Today was your day, Mrs. Basu. So you could checkmate me. But the game has just started. You have no idea how dangerous my tooths and nails are. Now you will see it. You can't even imagine how dangerous I can be. Just wait and watch.
Yes! Yes! Tapabrata is no more. He is dead. Tapabrata died. Tapabrata will never return. Oh my lord, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. But my husband is dead. I shouldn't behave like this. I should cry, right? Yes, I must cry. Oh, help! Help! Doctor, whoever is there, please come.
What happened?
Please.
What happened?
My husband is not responding.
What happened, Sanchita?
Mom, Tapabrata. Please stop, don't go anywhere. I won't let you go anywhere. Because of you all. Because of you all. Tapabrata left me. What have you done, Lord? What have you done? My Topo. What's the point of saying all this now, Mom? It's because of you all. You are responsible for this. You had Nayan do all that drama. Now Tapabrata is not responding at all. No response.
please.
Move aside. Let me see.
No, I won't let you go in. Are you a doctor? Will you understand? The doctor will see and say whatever is needed. Before that, I won't let anyone enter this room. No one. I want you all to hear from the doctor's mouth that Tapaprat is no longer alive, that he's dead. Doctor! Doctor!
Sir, she's losing blood. The patient is sinking.
This situation is very serious. Everyone, hurry up. Hurry up, everyone.